Today we shall learn how to start a Google meeting. So Google meeting can be started in two ways. One way is you can start it from your mobile phone by installing an application from the Google Play Store. The second way is you can start Google meeting through a browser. A Chrome browser is always recommended because there are certain options which are active in Chrome browser and in other browsers like Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer those options are not available. So first of all you open Google Chrome. So here you will see a Google Chrome screen and press here. You find this icon. This is Meet. So before I press here, I must tell you that uh, along with this Google Meet, you will also need to learn this Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Classroom, and here are and Google Docs. So Google Drive, Google Classroom, Google Docs, all these you need to understand. So I'll start from this Google Meet. So first click here, click on Meet. You will see two options: new meeting, enter a meeting code. So we are starting a new meeting, so click here, new meeting. So there are three options: get a meeting link, to share, start instant meeting, and schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. So let's choose one of the options. Which one is get a meeting link to share? So click here. So we'll see this link has been created. Now copy this link from here. So link has been copied. Now you are to share this link with your students. So you can share the link here. Press here Control V. The link we had copied from there we have pasted here and just send. So now come to the home screen. The link which we had got will be pasted here. So press Control V. So link has been pasted here and you can join the meeting by clicking here. But instead of pasting this link here, it is always better once you create the link, just write these 10 digits of the end in a copy, and when you need to start a meeting, you just write these 10 words without hyphen signs and you can join. Otherwise you will lost the link which you have generated and shared with your students. So now I delete everything and tell you how you can join. So delete this hyphen sign, delete this hyphen sign, and click on join. So here it is again written join now, so you need to press join now again. So now this Google Meet has been started. Now your students when click on the link at the time of your class, they will click on the link and you will see here notification that particular the person is uh, joining this meeting. You need to admit this person. So, when you will admit all students, you can view the students by clicking on the top. You will see here. So here you click this. So all the list of students will appear here in this window. Or someone doesn't know how to mute a microphone, you just click on the name of that student and a window will open here, there you will find option to mute that person. So if you want to mute yourself, you can mute yourself by clicking on your screen, and you will see the option to mute ourself is here. So I can't click here to mute myself. So secondly, if a student unmutes himself or herself and creates a problem, there is another option to remove the student. So you can remove that particular student. So here is one option of captions. If I press this caption option, then whatever I will be speaking will be typed here. But I don't think this option is of any use. So I have never seen use of this option, but it can be of use for some persons. So if you enable this option, then whatever you will be speaking will be typed. So now I am going to disable this option. Then there is present now. So if you click this icon present now, then you can share your lecture notes, you can share video, audio, whatever in the computer or whatever in the internet you want to share with your students. For example, I now press here present now. So there are three options. One option is your entire screen, some window, or some Chrome tab. So suppose I wish to share my entire screen, I'll press here. So this dialog box will open. Now press here and click on share. The entire screen will be shared. So now suppose the material which you want to present is on internet or on desktop, so you can find your material. Suppose the material is on internet, so I'll open a new window of Google Chrome, and suppose my material lies in my Google Classroom. So I'll open this Classroom. So Classroom is opened. Suppose I wish to teach BA semester 3. So my material will be here. So these are my lecture notes which I want to share with my students. So suppose I click on this first one. So here I'll play this video.
How can I define differentiability for two variable functions? Now suppose function is given.
So I thought I should convey the lecture of that professor instead of making my own video of differentiability. So there are other options in Google Classroom. Here is a classwork. In classwork I have created here one topic, advanced calculus. Under this topic, advanced calculus, there are so many things I have added. So I can create new topics also. So create, suppose I want to create a new topic. So my new topic is mechanics. So I can add here a topic. So see, one more topic has been created, mechanics. Another topic is advanced calculus, and I can upload some videos, audios, texts under this title also. Here is the people. So see how many students I have already enrolled in my class. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students are there in my present class. So what I can do with the students, so click here. So I can email a particular student, or if I select here and the actions are, I can email students, I can remove students, I can mute students. Here the mute means student will not be able to access my Google Classroom, but his or her name will be there. So here now we are back in Google Meet. Now I am not sharing anything. So there are two types of teaching. Number one, we can share any document or video or audio. Once we explain the shared material, and after that we stop sharing and we can discuss with students face to face. You can see students in this window, or there is another option. Here is a chat. So suppose a student wants to ask something. Suppose I did not get this point. So this will come here, and all other students will be also seeing this thing. So you can reply by typing or by voice. So this is all about how to teach in a Google Meet. Thank you very much. Now I am going to end this meet.